Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from 11 group of literal reading. We will discuss about reading and the growth of mind. And our members are Dea Amelia, Nadia Umunima, and Sabrina Miftah. Reading and the growth of mind. The authors state that they have completed their task in the book, which was to show that active reading is essential to good reading, and the more active it is, the better. Active reading is defined as asking questions and finding answers in different ways depending on the type of book. Jadi, penulis ini telah menjelaskan bahwa mereka sudah menyelesaikan babnya dalam buku ini, yang mana menunjukkan bahwa membaca aktif adalah esensi untuk membaca dengan baik. Ketika kita semakin aktif dalam membaca buku, itu tandanya semakin baik. Active reading active reading di sini yang dimaksud adalah menanyakan pertanyaan dan mencari jawaban dengan jalan yang berbeda berdasarkan tipe buku yang kita baca. They have explained the 4 levels of reading, emphasizing that higher levels include the lower ones. Special focus is given to analytical and syntopical reading because these are more complex and less familiar to most readers. Mereka juga telah menjelaskan 4 level dalam membaca, yang mana semakin tinggi level itu maka akan memberikan fokus yang lebih dalam. Kemudian, although the authors have completed explanation, the reader's task is not yet done. A practical book requires the reader to act upon what they have learned. If the reader accepts the book's goal, a practical book requires the reader to act upon what they have learned. If the readers accept the book's goal to become a better reader and agrees with the methods, then they must put in the effort to read in a deeper, more meaningful way. Tetapi ketika penulis ini telah menyelesaikan segala penjelasannya, maka untuk sang pembaca ini belum selesai. Mereka juga harus lebih dalam mempelajari tentang buku apa yang mereka baca, supaya menjadi pembaca yang baik. Sehingga ketika dia membaca lebih dalam, maka akan mendapatkan makna yang berbeda. The responsibility now lies with the reader. While the authors can offer some final guidance, the real work must be done by the reader. Di sini author ada memberikan petunjuk final, dan sebagai pembaca kita harus menerapkannya. The next slide, summary in bullet points. Jadi kunci utamanya, the book's main goal has been complete, to show that active reading is the essence of good reading. Next, active reading means asking questions and seeking answers based on the type of book. Four levels of reading were discussed, which build on each other: basic, impactional, analytical, and syntopical. Next, the book emphasizes analytical and syntopical reading because they are more complex and unfamiliar. This is a practical book, which means readers are expected to apply what they learn. If readers accept the purpose, becoming better readers, and the methods rule of 4 reading levels, they must take action. The authors have finished their part. Now it's the reader's responsibility to continue the effort. The authors offer help for the next step, but remind readers the main effort must come from you. And the next slide will deliver by my friend.
And the words means can refer both to the method of reading and the material books to apply that method to. To improve as a reader, you need both a good method and challenging books. Reading only easy or purely entertaining books won't improve your reading skills because such books don't stretch your mind. Improvement comes from talking, talking books that fill over your head and make demands on your understanding. The challenging books help you grow because they require active and effortful reading. Good books reward your efforts by improving your reading skills and deepening your understanding of life. Not all difficult books are in unfamiliar fields like skins or psychology. Sometimes literary and poetic, poetic works like Homer can be harder to read than scientific texts due to their complexity. Beware of bad books which frustrate without reward. Good books, especially that best ones, reward you with growth in reading, ability, and wisdom. They teach you about the world and yourself, helping you think more deeply about enduring human problem and rationalism. Topics that have no final answer but benefit from thoughtfulness. And the next is the pyramid of the book. The first elementary reading phase of the pyramid. Basic ability to read and understand simple text. Focus, vocabulary, sentence understanding. What does the sentence say? And the second, inspectional reading. Quick overview or skimming to understand the structure and main ideas. Call, get the essence in limit time. What is the book about? And
The third, and the next and the third, analytical reading. Depth of reading with critical thinking. Ask and answer key questions. Understand the author argument, structure, and assumption. What is being said and how. And the fourth, scientific reading, top of the pyramid, reading multiple books on the same topic and comparing them. Create your own analysis or synthesis of ideas. What do all these books say about the same issues? And glass summary. Each level builds upon the previous one, and higher levels require more effort but give deeper understanding. And mystery of reading means moving up the pyramid until from basic reading to building knowledge across multiple sources. And thank you, guys. Okay, that's enough from our group. Thank you for watching and listening. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay.